Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the brand new Martini Prep. This is the product that one of our influencers here on YouTube launched. Guys, I'm super excited to share my thoughts on this product with you guys. This is a serum primer instant lift. It is supposed to be a primer. It does all these kinds of things that I explained throughout the video. And it also is supposed to be like a skincare kind of product. I am excited. Skincare and a primer all in one. I feel like we all want that. Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you guys on this, letting you guys know if I think it's worth it or if I think it's not worth it and all of that good stuff. But before we get started into the video, please subscribe down below so you can become part of our T-Squad family, you guys. And also don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. I'll be on Snapchat and on Instagram because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there, so go follow me there. Yeah guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started into today's video. So I did get this product in this box. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging and what it came with. This product did come with a sticker from Laura Sanchez's logo. I really like the sticker. I don't know where I'm going to put it at. I think I'm going to put it on my phone just because I really like it. I don't know. We're still thinking of a home for that. So anyways guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the brand new Martini Prep. This is a serum that she launched not too long ago. And then it also came with this little postcard here. It has her picture on it. I think she looks beautiful with that wig. And then she has the palette here. This is the eyeshadow palette and highlighter palette that she came out with. And then in the back, it just says my name, thank you for your purchase. So this is the packaging. This is what the box looks like. As you guys can see, it's pretty girly. It's definitely something very different for me. I'm not a pink person, but when I saw this, it kind of looks almost like, I don't want to say kids makeup, but it kind of reminds me of kids makeup, if that makes sense. I feel like it's pretty chic, it's pretty cool. It's something very different, you know. I feel like most beauty bloggers just go with like the nudes or like the golds, and seeing pink packaging with stars and this like alien kind of girl in a martini glass, it's kind of different, not gonna lie, very weird. I love the fact that it says, you know, instructions for the product and what it is and what it does in English and in Spanish as well. I really appreciate that. Basically what this is, it's a serum primer instant lift. That is exactly what it says on the box. And then when you open it up, this is the product here. And it is a droplet kind of applicator. I'm going to read a little bit about the product and then I'm gonna go in and apply it and see if it really works or if it really does make a difference in my makeup routine. So basically it says that this has vitamin C and it's in microspheres for better absorption on the skin. So it has a vitamin C, there you go. This is supposed to be a primer. It is supposed to fill in lines, smile lines, pores, scarring, and anything with texture. So it's basically supposed to smooth out the skin completely. I am all in with that. It is also a hydrating serum, but it is not greasy at all and it can be used for all skin types. It also says it has a tacky, sticky feeling to help the makeup adhere, but it also creates a layer between your skin and the makeup to protect the skin. You can use this day and night. Something that I did notice is that she does use this as well to apply like a shimmery shadow on her lid, and it kind of like brightens up the situation. She also did kind of like a test on her hand where she applied this primer and then applied a shimmery shadow and then ran it through water. In her video, it did not move, it did not go anywhere. So that's something that really sold to me. If you guys did not know, I do have rosacea all right here, and I have large and intense pores around my nose area and around my cheek area. That is my problematic area. I do not go anywhere without makeup. I am very insecure with my skin. I feel like I'm starting to live with it because hello, I have it and it's not going to go away. But I don't like my skin, let's be real. So when I saw that this was going to basically fill in my pores completely, my smile lines, and it's going to make my makeup last longer, I was all with it. Alrighty, let's do this. So as you guys can see, I only put 3 droplets on my skin, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Alright guys, so off the first bat, I'm going to let you guys know that it feels really refreshed, and it does have a minty kind of smell, but it's very refreshing. It's not like overpowering or anything like that. And it does feel pretty cold on the skin, which I'm pretty sure that's how you get rid of like under eye bags. I don't know, I might be crazy. So right now I'm just pressing it into my skin. The more it sat down, the more tacky I started to feel this product. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really nice on my skin. You guys know that I am obsessed with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and honestly, something that I will say is that it kind of hydrates my skin the exact same way as this one, but it doesn't make me feel greasy or oily or anything like that, and it's something that I'm noticing with the two, although the Martini Prep is a little bit more tacky. So I'm kind of excited to put on my foundation and see if it actually adheres to it. So let's go ahead and apply foundation and let's see if we see a difference or not. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC20. So let's go ahead and apply this real quick. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup. After all, I will say that I really like this product. Everything blended out really nicely. I will say that I don't really see my pores peeking through or anything like that. My smile lines are nowhere to be seen. I feel like it kind of like inflated them, not inflated them, but filled them in, if that makes any sense. Yeah, you can't really see, and I do get really bad smile lines right here, like around my dimple area, but you can't really see any creasing or anything. So far, the only difference that I'm noticing is that it definitely gave me a lot of hydration underneath my makeup, and it made my skin look pretty darn flawless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to use this product here on my channel. Anyways, guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked today's video. With that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to become part of our T-Squad family. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Bye.